Good morning, students. Again, I'm here to teach you computer science for class 11th and 12th. And today's topic is computer software. Now, we start with the computer software. We can define it as it is the collection of computer instructions that tell how to work. That means it tells to the computer how to perform a particular task, how to perform a particular work. For example, MS Word. MS Word tell to the computer how to make the computer document. VLC player tell to the computer how to play a song, how to play a video, how to play a movie. So that means a computer software tells to a computer system how to do a particular specific type of work. Types of softwares. There are two types of software. First is system software. So we can define it as interface between user and hardware components, and it tells to the computer how to work with the system components. System components means hardware like printer, scanner, whole system. So basically the system software fulfill the requirements of the system. That means it is work like the interface between the user and the system. Also we can define it is basically for fulfill the requirements of computer. That means if I want to give any command to the printer for the printout, so basically how to get a instruction and how to work with the printer. So it is the software that tell to the computer system how to work with the system component. Basically it is for the system component. So we can define with the help of some other examples like operating system. It is like the interface between the user and system. Without the computer operating system, we cannot switch on my system. My system cannot be run, cannot be do any kind of the task. So basically it is for fulfill the requirement of the computer to accomplish any kind of the task. Another example is like system driver software. So driver softwares are basically for the system hardware. For example, I want to connect my printer with my system, but system doesn't know how to work with the printer. What is a printer? So basically the system software tells to the computer how it's work, how to printer works, how to give the instructions, and how to take out the printout. So basically the system drivers tell to the computer system how to do work with a particular system components. And like antivirus is also come into the system software. It is basically for analyze my system and find out the viruses and remove it. So it is also come into the category of system software. Now next is application software. So application software, it is set of the instructions to fulfill the needs of the user. So basically it is used for fulfill the needs of the user. Without the application software, the user cannot perform the task. For example, if the user wants to create a document, so he needs the MS Word. So without the MS Word, he cannot create any document. For like another example, like the user wants to watch a movie, so he needs VLC player. So we can categorize it like it is the set of the instructions which is used to fulfill the needs of the user. So we have two types of the software. First is system software, which is fulfill the needs of the computer system, and application software, which is used to fulfill the needs of the user. And in the next session we will continue with the types of application softwares. Please make your own notes basis of the video and send me its pic. Thank you.